Now we are going to look at another example regarding subtract 3,144 in base 6 from 10,025 in base 6. So look at what we are going to do. 5 minus 4 is 1. Why? Because the 5 and 4, this one is okay. But 2 minus 4, it cannot do. And when you see we can't borrow from here, we cannot borrow from here. So we are going to borrow from this side, which is 1. This one now becomes 0. Remember that we are working with base 6. So when we borrow this one, at this point, this one will become 6. Okay? And when this one becomes 6, we borrow 1 from here, it will move from 6 to 5. Then this one also will become 6. Then we borrow 1 from here, this one now becomes 5. When we borrow 1 to this side, this one now becomes 6, then we add it. So 6 plus 8 minus 4 is 4. Remember, we are borrowing with respect to the base. The base is 6. Here now we can now have 5 minus 1 is 4. Then 5 minus 3 is 2. Remember that this one is already 0. So our answer is 24441 in the 6. 5 minus 4, 5 is greater